Hello, everybody. Listen, I came in. I just want to give you four quick tips on getting yourself through airport security without having a problem as pertains to packing your stuff. Okay, so listen, the first two are really they're small things, but big things. So pay close attention. Okay. One, let's talk about your passport. Your passport needs to be valid 6 months after your trip. I'm going to say that again because I can't stress it enough. Your passport needs to be valid 6 months after your trip. You do not want to have issues on your upcoming excursion because your passport is going to expire in a month because they're not going to let you go anywhere. Okay. So your passport has to be valid 6 months after your trip. One last time, 6 months after your trip, that passport still needs to be valid for you to be able to go where it is that you're trying to go. So, like I said, a small thing, but a big thing. Two, carry on. Your carry on and your personal items, and that, duffel bags, backpacks, all those things. There are the measure bins when you come in, and you slide them down in the measure bin. It has to fit in the measure bin. It has to just slide down in there. It can't be you smashing it and pressing it like your old purse that you're stuffing all your stuff in. That could run you into a problem with the TSA folks and the airport security. You're going to have a problem. It should just slide down. So you just want to do that. You want to make sure that you don't have to squeeze it down in there because you're kind of violating the rule at that point. And if you get the wrong person, you're going to have a problem. And what will actually really help in that situation, leave your attitude at home and pack your patience with you as well. I want you to go to your specific airline's website and go ahead and get the dimensions and measurements and all of that for the luggage so you don't have a problem. So you don't have a problem because they're going to tell you you got to check it, and that's going to end up costing you more money that you could be spending on a fantastic dinner, some delicious delectables, or some souvenirs, or some fancy piece of clothing or something that you want to buy to bring back home with you. Just check everything out. Make sure that when you get to the measuring bin, everything just slides down, that you're not pressing it and trying to squeeze it because that is in violation. And like I said, pack your patience with you. Please pack your patience with you. You don't want to have it with airport security. Pack your patience with you and literally leave your attitude at home. You can go back to your attitude when you come back off of vacation. All right. So these next two are really important, and you may already know them. If you know them, then it's a refresher. If not, then you can thank me later. Okay. Let's talk about your carry ons within the United States. When you're traveling within the United States, your carry ons and liquids. Liquids, they have to be in one spot. You get one package, and it needs to be a quart size bag. It's a quart size bag. You can get them from Amazon, just the cute little zipper ones, and it has to be clear. It has to be clear. Okay. So quart size, and it has to be clear. Okay. Now, all of your liquids are going to be packed in that. And this is for things that are being carried on, not things that you could put larger liquid items in your checked luggage, but anything you're carrying onto the plane, 3.4 ounces or less. That's 100 milliliters. It has to be 3.4 ounces or less. And they all have to be contained in that quart size bag. Not two quart size bags, one quart size bag going onto the plane with you. And I don't think there's any exceptions on that. You just come on. That is actually done for safety reasons. I don't have to really explain. We're talking about going on a plane. So we don't need everybody with a ton of liquids and all. Just do it. Quart size bag has to be clear. Everything liquid has to go in there. 3.4 ounces or less. That translates as 100 milliliters. Okay. And that bag needs to be clear. Okay. Last one. If you are a person that needs to pack any type of medication and more or less pills for domestic flights within the United States, now TSA.gov.com says you can pack your pills anywhere in any container, but it's a big but. If that is a prescription med, you need the prescription on the bottle or the box. Reason being, and they're looking mostly for like controlled substances type pills. But the reason being that drug may be illegal in certain states and things of that nature. You don't want to get hung up. You don't want to have to throw medication away, because that if you need the medication, you need the medication. You need to be able to explain yourself. Because like I said, that's like a big one. If that drug may be illegal in certain states. So definitely you need that prescription on the bottle or the box. You may not even ever encounter having to show it or being asked for it, but you don't want to be throwing your meds away or not being able to board and get to where you're trying to get to. Okay. So upcoming trips, people that are going with me on the cruise, please, we are going Virgin Voyages. Download your app. Do it now. We're only a few days out. We're what, 20 days out? Less than 20 days out from sailing. Download the Virgin Voyage app onto your phone because you literally control everything that you're going to be doing through the app. Don't wait until you get to the port to download your app. Download the app. Get yourself acclimated to how that app works, because that's how we're going to get everything done. You're going to plan your meals and all those different things, other than things that I have in place for you all. Shows and all those things, the things that you want to do, they're all going to be through your app. Get yourself acclimated to the Virgin Voyages app so everything can be smooth. Everything can be smooth. This is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be stressful at all. So that's it. That's all I got. I just wanted to drop a few little nuggets there, some things that could be helpful. Hopefully you knew all these things, and I'm just running my mouth like Charlie Brown's teacher. Womp, 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 womp. But I don't mind doing it. I want to make sure everybody has a good time. Listen, safe travels. Cannot wait to see you all and hug you around the neck. We are going to have a good time. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Later.